Let me introduce you to this new baby of mine, the Hisense Pureflat Smart Series fridge. The fridge is a 540-litre side-by-side fridge, and if you know, Hisense has always focused on the quality of every single detail. It is a sleek and modern refrigerator thanks to its stainless steel finish that gives your kitchen a contemporary and streamlined look. Now to touch on the specs. The refrigerator comes with an ice and water dispenser, has a notes function which allows you to leave reminders, post messages, and even draw pictures for your family. With the message board, you can ensure that reminders get seen by everyone and turn the refrigerator into the central hub for communication. It also connects to Wi-Fi, so you can use the recipes feature, the screen sharing feature, which allows you to stay connected and entertained. This innovative feature allows you to mirror your phone screen onto the refrigerator's large touchscreen, check your messages or watch content without missing out on important moments, so you can watch your favorite shows or play your favorite music. Connect to the Connect Life app to keep track of your food inventory, like jotting down your grocery list from an array of food items and send the list to your connected smartphone. This helps you organize and store your food and save time and money by not buying unnecessary items. That way, you always know what you need to buy before going to the store and keeping tabs on the life dates of your groceries. And in this economy, one can definitely not be wasteful. Now, how's that for smart?